Alright, so I'm going to take this off, guys, and put it on the other one. All of this is for the reverse neutral drive, and it hooks up to the drive in the dash. So I'm going to just take this out. Like I say, mine I broke, not realizing that I didn't take off whatever was on there. So honestly, I don't know what hooks to this, but I'm gonna have to go back and look at the video and figure it out. But I will be able to figure it out, even if I have to contact Mr. Buick Bob and see what's hooked to that. A lot of times, guys, when you're just putting stuff back together, you'll be in there and it'll be self-explanatory where that goes. But alright, so I'm just switching that out now. Alright, so I'm gonna come in and push these in. With the needle nose vice grips, and get all of these out of here. So now I'm running out of time, guys, with some of this. So I've been plating a lot of this stuff, but a lot of times I'll be having extra paint while I'm painting little parts. So I might paint this part instead of plating it. I'll see if I have time. I'm kind of running behind on the build, getting sick and everything. Feeling a lot better these days, guys, but you know, a little time off, it makes a difference. So that's going to determine on like what I want to use where, guys. So like if these look better than the one in there, then I'll swap them over when I swap this lens. So, you know, all the temperature, everything look good. It's just this lens is not really looking the best, but it comes out. Well, I don't know, this is pretty nice to see, because if I want to, I can paint this, I could paint this piece either red or white if I want to, instead of it being black in there, guys. So, wow, that's pretty nice to see here that all of this comes apart like this. So, alright. Alright, guys, so I had painted some another wheel well, and the radiator core support. So I left this in here. I need to get a better, I need to buy some better brushes. I thought I brought some. I'm gonna have to look and see. I thought I brought some over the holiday, Christmas time. But I just want to hand brush this, guys. Alright, guys, so first things first, I kind of figured out how to do these a little better as it went on here, but I'm gonna just leave these the way they are. So I was going to switch out this, but I think I'm gonna just pour 15 this, guys, and be done with it. So I gotta come in and I'm gonna switch these out. Alright, so now I'm gonna pour my fuel gauge out. And then I just painted this one white. Like I said, just, I don't know. Alright, so then I'm gonna swap that out with this one. See if I can, oh, wrong way. There we go. Alright. So then I want to put these back in here. Just a little turn. Alright. Flip that over, and that's what I got so far, guys. Alright, so this one is going to go in here. And this one is going to go here. Now the thing is that these need to go here. Alright, so that fell out up there. I have to see how I'm on. But anyway, without trying to get anything else to fall out. There we go. Alright, so I'll probably come in and just well, not probably, I'm gonna come in with some white model paint, and I'm gonna paint that orange white. So I'm gonna go upstairs and get my model paint. Alright, so that's in place, and all that is the for the shifter. Alright guys, so I don't know, you probably won't be able to see that, but this got a red tint to it, so that goes on there, and that's for your dimmer switch. Alright, so then I want to get this through here, and it's got that thing for your speedometer cable that you gotta, yeah, get that spring to pop through there. Alright, so then this is in place. So I'm gonna take these off for a minute. Take these down. And I'm gonna just screw this back plate only here. Get it started. Alright, so the difference in the two here, guys, is one of these have the trip for the trip on here, and the other one don't. So I'll be replacing this out with this one here. So I'll come in here, and these blocks go in here. See if I can get them to fall in place, the right spot. All right, they in there. And this one is gonna go on top there. All right, guys, so I lined this up perfectly straight, put tape around it, and I'm gonna go on and drill this out. Hopefully it didn't crack too much. Alright, we'll see. No. Alright, so that comes through there just fine. That's gonna be fine. Alright. Alright, guys, I did want to come in here and show you the difference between the second one that I did and the first one. That first one, oh boy. And I actually worked on that one trying not to tape, trying to hand paint. It actually took longer than me taping this off and doing this one, guys. But, alright. Just want to show you, show you the difference. Alright. Alright, guys, so got this in here. Let me see if all of this is gonna line up now. It's like these keep falling out on me here. Get it to snap in place and stay in place. There we go. I think that's almost it. No, this one ain't. There we go. Now everything is in place, guys. Alright, guys, so I took me a piece of vice grips and adjusted them where I need them to be. And just from that, I'm able to get these to clamp down, because see, when I press them out, they look like so. So I adjust that vice grips. Alright, so then, yeah, put that vice grips on there and clamp down on it, and it pucks that out, guys. Alright. So then I want to come in, guys, and put this in place. Hold it where nothing moves. See if I can get this to fall in place. Like so. And there. Alright. So I think these tabs go in actually this way, guys. Alright. So now I just got to put all of these tabs in place here, guys. All right. So I'm going to come in here now and start trying to get this dash together, guys. These months are ticking away. And trying to get this done. All right. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try to get this in place. Let's turn this over here. And like I'm missing a couple of screws. Oh no, there they go. Might be missing a couple though, man. I'll be trying to put those screws back so I will have them. Well, I might be missing one here. Alright guys, so I didn't do nothing to the back of this. I can still pour 15 it at any time that I decide to. But let me come in and get these screws in here. All right, guys. So with that, let's flip this over, see how this dash looks. Man, that looks beautiful to me, guys. I don't know I don't know, everybody's different, but man, that just looks great. That looks great to me, guys. So anyway, so that's in there. I still got the vents to do. And I don't think I'm gonna do nothing with the heater. Yeah, it'd be nice if I knew somebody that made little stickers where I could put the wood grain back in here, because that wood grain costs so much, guys, that I'm not getting ready to spend that money on the wood grain. I'm just not, you know, I'm not going to spend that money on the wood grain there. All right, so it's pretty much there. I got a little bit more to do here. But yeah, that's looking good there, guys. All right, all things Buick.